In today's video, I will walk you through how to find new coin listings on CoinMarketCap. To find newly listed cryptocurrencies on CoinMarketCap, start by going to the CoinMarketCap platform and familiarizing yourself with the homepage layout. At the top of the page, locate the menu bar. You will see different sections, including cryptocurrencies, exchanges, community, products, and learn. For this tutorial, focus on the cryptocurrencies section. Move your cursor over the cryptocurrencies tab to open the drop-down menu. From the available options, select Recently Added. After clicking Recently Added, you will be taken to a page that displays the latest cryptocurrencies listed on CoinMarketCap. On this page, review the information provided for each newly listed coin. Each listing includes important details such as the coin name and ticker symbol. This helps you identify the cryptocurrency when viewing it on trading platforms. You can also check the price at the time of listing. Review this information to see the current price movement of newly added coins. Next, check the market cap section. Some newly listed cryptocurrencies may not have market cap information available yet. You can also view the time-added information, which shows when the cryptocurrency was listed. This can display whether the coin was added recently, such as a few hours ago, a day ago, or longer. Once you are on the recently added page, select any cryptocurrency to view more details. Clicking on a coin will open its dedicated page, where you can access additional information, including statistics, historical data, and charts. Review the available information for each cryptocurrency and check the performance trends, ranking details, and any available updates related to the coin. Continue exploring different newly listed cryptocurrencies by selecting individual coins from the recently added section. Use the available information on each coin page to review the details and compare different listings. By using the recently added section on CoinMarketCap, you can view newly listed cryptocurrencies and explore their available information directly from the platform. Thank you for watching.